सर थोड़ा दीजिए सर।
गणेश हार
एक फोटो।
Bhalira ma'am to felicitate Dr. Kubre sir, today's guest speaker. Now I request Mahale ma'am to felicitate Mahale sir.
हमेशा ही तो करना
I request Mahale ma'am to felicitate Savita ma'am. I request Tungenwa ma'am to felicitate Viva ma'am. I request Toshniwal ma'am to felicitate Anagha ma'am.
मैडम थोड़ा क्रॉस। ओके।
I request Videkar ma'am to felicitate Anuja ma'am.
I request Patte sir to felicitate Atulkar sir. Now I request Savita ma'am to say a few words.
सॉरी चालू है.
माननीय आणि सन्माननीय ऑर्गनायझर्स ऑफ द CME,
नांदेड OBGY सोसायटी, डॉक्टर मंगेश नरवाडकर आणि डॉक्टर राजेश्री. सर्वप्रथम मी नांदेड OBGY सोसायटी तसंच एमक्यूआर फार्मास्युटिकलतर्फे श्री गणेश देशमुख व त्यांचे सहकारी यांचे आभार मानते. या सर्व करोनाच्या डिफिकल्ट सिच्युएशन असून सुद्धा तुम्ही ही CME घेतली आणि हा प्रोग्राम चांगला सुरूप सुरू झाला. डॉक्टर M.N. भालेराव जरी 1960s होते तरी पण त्यांचा फोरसाईट खूपच, हे आताच तुम्ही पाहिलं की फोरसाईट खूप पुढची होती, दूर होती. त्यांच्या ज्या ज्या नवीन सोयी असत, ज्या ज्या गोष्टी मुंबईमध्ये येत असत पहिल्यांदी, त्या गोष्टी आपल्या नांदेडला आल्या पाहिजे असा त्यांचा ध्यास होता. आणि त्या ध्यासातूनच जिजामाता हॉस्पिटलचा पुढे विकास झाला आणि पुढे त्यांना त्याची पावती पण मिळाली. त्या दृष्टीने त्यांनी त्याची पावलं पण उचलली आणि त्या लोकांना आपण एकटेच नाही तर अजून सर्वात जणांना बरोबर घेऊन काम कसं करायचं हे त्यांनी शिकलं. त्यांनी कधीही म्हटलं नाही की मी केलं, मी हे केलं नाही. वी डिड इट. नेहमी त्यांचं असं असायचं की वी डिड इट. आणि म्हणून सगळ्यांनी मिळून हे काम चांगलं करत राहिले आणि त्यांना लोकांचा प्रतिसाद पण मिळाला. सर्व क्षेत्रात आता जे तुम्ही पाहिलं त्या सर्व क्षेत्रांमध्ये सगळ्यांना प्रतिसाद मिळाला. इवन म्हणजे अजून मला आठवतं की इथे मेल गायनेकॉलॉजिस्टची BC होती, तर त्याच्यात सुद्धा त्यांनी ते जाऊन मजा करायचे, बोलायचे आणि त्यांचा वेळ घालत असत. कारण पुढे काय करायचं ह्या दृष्टीने ते त्यांच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी माहिती असायच्या. DGOचा कोर्स त्याने 1991 साली सुरू केला. त्याच्यामध्ये कितीतरी इकडचे मराठवाड्यातल्या स्पेशली मुलींना चांगलं काम करता यावं आणि चांगलं व्यवस्थित इथल्या इथे ॲडजस्टमेंट करतात. कारण मुलींना ते पुढे ॲडजस्टमेंट करतच काम करावं लागतं. तर त्या मुलींना पण खूप फायदा झाला. त्या पाटील मॅडम म्हणजे चित्रा पाटील मॅडम म्हणायच्या की ते OBCI सोसायटीच्या ह्याचे एक राज कपूरच होते. त्यांनी दरवर्षी आपण CME प्रोग्राम घेऊन त्यांच्या विचारांना चालना देत आहात आणि निरनिराळे स्पीकर्स बोलून आपलं डे जे आहे, आपले नॉलेज जे आहे ते अपडेट कसं करायचं हे आपण OBGY सोसायटी आणि सगळेजण करत आहात. तसंच त्यांच्या विचारांचे जे बढावा आपोआप मिळत आहे आणि या सर्व विचारांनीच तुम्ही त्यांना जिवंत ठेवले.
Now I request Anuja ma'am to say few words.
Respected dignitaries of the dais, senior members of the society, and my dear friends. I am very thankful to the Nanded OBGY Society for taking up this endeavor to conduct this CME in the memory of my father, late Dr. Mohan Bhalerao. As we have already seen in the documentary and as I have said, he was a knowledgeable clinician, a very skillful surgeon, as well as a visionary. There are many things that I can add to it, but basically, even I would like to enforce that me being one of their students from because I just said that they conducted the CPS DGO courses in their hospital for many years, and I am one of the products of Jijamata Hospital, whom I sure many are over here at this moment. And we learned a lot of things from him. One was to be a good clinician, like especially I. Besides being just an obstetrician, he also was very proficient in the field of surgery, pediatrics, and anesthesia. And he did many difficult obstetrics destructive surgeries like craniotomy and evisceration. I learned a lot of vaginal hysterectomy, vaginal surgeries like Leafort's operation, non-descent vaginal hysterectomy, and DY Society to give me this opportunity to express my feelings about I and Baba. Thank you very much.
Thank you all the dignitaries. Today's guest speaker, Dr. Kubde sir and Savita ma'am, to be on the dais. Moving on to today's next part of the program, that is installation of new executive body for the year 2021. As said by the great Greek philosopher Thales, life is a flux. Nothing in life is a permanent, nor can it be, because the very nature of existence is a change. Change is not part of life, but it is life itself. Now I request the new team. First, I would like to request the upcoming President, Dr. Adurkar sir, and Secretary, Dr. Varsha Kadam ma'am. I request Savita ma'am to felicitate Varsha Kadam ma'am and Kubde sir to felicitate Adurkar sir. I request Dr. Ramesh Sadhu sir, Treasurer for the. Now I request Dr. Mudholkar ma'am, the Joint Secretary. I request Kubde sir to felicitate Ramesh Sadhu sir. I request Dr. Smita More ma'am and Dr. Machewar ma'am, Clinical Secretary for the year 2021. Dr. Murmure ma'am and Dr. Dhonde ma'am.
सर एक सेकंड. Okay, right. Thank you.
This is now a hush moment for me and quite emotional because I have been working in the society since last 2 years with Mangesh sir. Our team did lot of activities and out of which the audit of the society of the last 8 years wasn't possible without the help of our past president and secretaries. I thank them all. And I take this opportunity to thank all my seniors and friends for their unconditional support they have given in this last 2 years. Tugedwar ma'am, Munde ma'am, Dr. Anjali Patil ma'am, Toshniwal ma'am, Vibha ma'am. I am sorry if I forgot few names. And all have been truly inspirational and very supportive to me. And last not but the least, with untiring enthusiasm and unconditional support and untiring efforts and unmatchable stamina of Dr. Mangesh sir, it wasn't possible to carry out this last 2 years because of COVID. The activities were halted for few times, but we enjoyed a lot in last 2 years. Now I request Dr. Varsha Kadam ma'am to say a few words about the next year.
A very warm afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Ashish Kubde sir, incoming President Atnurkar sir, all respected senior members of Nanded OBGY Society present over here, my fellow colleagues, dear friends, and above all respected members of Bhalerao family, the family with whom I started ABC of my OBGY education and could not have achieved without the support of these family members. I really feel privileged to express my sincere gratitude towards everyone of this family on this very worthy occasion of Mohan Bhalerao CME. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. Thank you all for involving me in this pride organization of Nanded OBGY Society as the Secretary of New Coming Year 2021. I will try sincerely, responsibly and wholeheartedly to serve this pride organization under the fatherly guidance of respected President Sir Dr. Kishore Atnurkar and the new team members Dr. Kamal Mudholkar, Dr. Smita More, Dr. Machiwar, Dr. Dhonde, Dr. Murmure and Dr. Ramesh Jadhav sir. The very first intimation I would like to give you all today is regarding the registrations. The details of the membership fee structure will be conveyed you soon on the OBGY group. I appeal all members to register themselves for the coming year within the informed and allotted time. We would also like to welcome the innovative ideas, frequent suggestions, and share valuable experiences by all respected members of our society regarding academic and clinical activities which they want us to incorporate during the schedule of next year. As you all know, during last few months, during recent times also, though it might appear quite difficult to predict regarding the future activities to be conducted next year due to the uncertain and unpredictable COVID-19 pandemic position, we cannot assure, but definitely we, along with guidance of Atnurkar sir and senior members, we the new team will like to keep the momentum generated by previous team. So to conclude, let me restate my deep gratitude again towards all respected members of Bhadirao family. A sincere apology if I forget something to mention. Thank you all for kind attention and wishing you all a great time ahead. Thank you.
Request Dr. Atnurkar sir to say a few words.
सर्वप्रथम भालेराव सर ज्या आठवणींना विनम्र अभिवादन. प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून नांदेड विजय सोसायटीचे सूत्र हातात घेत असताना मला टेन्शन आलं नसतं, पण आलंय. कारण राजश्रीनी मंगेश बद्दलचे जे काही ऍडजेक्टिव्ह वापरले, अगदी माझं कसं होईल असं वाटायला लागलं. नाहीतर प्रेसिडेंट ठीक आहे, प्रत्येक वर्षी कोणी ना कोणी प्रेसिडेंट होतो, काही ना काही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज होतात. पण या पार्श्वभूमीवर म्हणजे आमच्या सेक्रेटरी मॅडम वर्षा कदम मॅडम मला म्हणाल्या की आपल्याला जमेल का सर मंगेश सरांसारखं. तर मी म्हणलं बिलकुल जमणार नाही. काय म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये एवढं काय, एखादा त्याच्यापेक्षा चांगलेच होऊ शकेल असं मनात वाटतं. तर अपार्ट फ्रॉम द जोक इन इट, सगळ्यात अगोदर मंगेश, राजश्री आणि त्यांच्या टीमला खूप पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन. खूपच आणि त्यांनी स्टँडर्ड सेट करून टाकलं. टू रीच दॅट स्टँडर्ड दर वी विल बी एबल टू रीच ऑर नॉट, हा नंतरचा विषय आहे. पण त्यांनी खरंच खूप छान कामगिरी केली आणि ते अनुकरणीय आहे. वर्षा कदम मॅडमनी रजिस्ट्रेशनच्या संदर्भामध्ये सांगितलं, तर त्याच्यात एक दोन वाक्य ऍड करायचे राहून गेले. ते म्हणजे कुणी माणूस येणार नाही पैसे घेण्यासाठी रजिस्ट्रेशनसाठी. 2,500 रुपये हे जुन्या मेंबरसाठी आणि 3,000 रुपये हे नवीन मेंबरसाठी आपल्याला जमा करायचे आहे. त्यासाठीची बँकेतनं जी लिंक आहे ती जनरेट करून आपल्या सर्वांपर्यंत पोहोचवली जाईल. कुणीही कॅश देऊ नये, कॅश स्वीकारली जाणार नाही. सगळं काही डिजिटल मेथडनी व्हावं अशी आमची इच्छा आहे. तर कृपा करून जेव्हा तुमच्यापर्यंत लिंक येईल तेव्हा रजिस्ट्रेशन करण्याचं काम या महिन्यामध्ये, जानेवारी महिन्यामध्ये करायचं आहे. त्यानंतर बऱ्याचशा ॲक्टिव्हिटीज जसं की मागच्या 2 वर्षामध्ये इट वॉज अ ब्लेंड ऑफ ऑल डिफरंट अकॅडमिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज तर होत्याच, पण सोशल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, कल्चरल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, इट वॉज अ ब्लेंड ऑफ ऑल दीज ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. तर एक ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हटल्यानंतर या पद्धतीचं फक्त CME, स्लाइड्स, अमुक असं नाही, कल्चरल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पण आहेत, सोशल आपल्यावर काही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आहेत. तर आय अश्युअर यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ our new team and under guidance of Dr. Arun Mahale sir, they will carry forward the same momentum and do as many activities as COVID-19 will permit. Thank you very much.
I request Dr. Mangesh Narwadkar sir to hand over the badge of President to Dr. Atnurkar sir and
थोड़ा थोड़ा
I will hand over the badge of secretary to Varsha Kadam ma'am. Now I request Dr. Mangesh Narwadkar sir to give vote of thanks and conclude.
Dhanyavad. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support and encouragement and for the last 2 years. Me and Rajeshri could able to do a certain few new things in our society, like we conducted almost 21 activities in a year. For the very first time, we conducted a cultural activity, and first time ever a paid clinical activity, that 100 rupees being paid by each and every member of the society to attend a meeting which is at 4 p.m. in the afternoon on the Wednesday. So, and we got almost 80 participants on one CME, which means that it is a very successful activity. And we could able to finish the audit of our society for last 7 years, since which was pending since 2012. And first time, majorities of the CMEs were not pharma driven. Means even if the today's was there was a pressure like it has to be some clinical drug oriented, but we kept it to the very minimum. We conducted a Google survey and majority people have given their valuable opinion on that. And one of the very interesting activities, a back-to-back activity. We conducted activity on a Saturday evening and then Sunday morning also that people have attended in large number. And it is only because we both work in team and Dr. Rajeshri is very competent, enthusiastic. Now I have to say a few good words about able to read the balance sheet, but she could able to do that. She was very categorical to say that the finance has to be managed digitally, and that's why we could able to collect the fees last year in digital.
She's the daughter of a finance officer.
Yeah. And she made a updated society list, auditing. She helped the other residents. And she conducted an adolescent program. And one thing we have seen that at least 12 points should get each and every member of the society should get from our clinical activities, rather than we have more numbers. So finally, we are now ending our 2 years term, which is very interesting. But now today morning I was very skeptical regarding, because of this corona pandemic, whether we will be able to get the response, and it's only because of Dr. Kubde's presence he made the today's CME very successful one. Dr. Kubde, I'm very glad that he came with only single phone call. And sir, likely to give you that this is the rather fourth or fifth single faculty CME, means that majority of the chunk was rather is done by the single faculty. So finally, dear friends, I'm going. We and Rajeshri are going to help the incoming society by that it should be a very smooth transition. And we have done an audit, and we will post that audit on the society group so that it will be very transparent one. Thank you very much. And I say this installation ceremony is over now. We are moving towards our next clinical activity part. One lecture by Dr. Mahali sir and another lecture by Dr. Kubde sir.
So next topic of today's CM is RPL. two controversial cases by Dr. Arun Mahale sir, our beloved teacher. He's been inspirational, and his last 2 years wouldn't been possible without his constant encouragement, support, and with new ideas. It was sir's idea to do clinical activity with Adnurkar sir, and we enjoyed a lot in this clinical activities. I request sir to present a talk on RPL.